Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What's up? This is Papa Bayo. Welcome to the channel. I've currently been working on an axial flux design, and I want it to be a gyroscope. So let me show you what I've done so far. Just utilizing what I have instead of making a bunch of new stuff. So we've got this, and it spins freely in these little the shaft spins. So, and then we're gonna get more of these electromagnets, or bigger ones. Might get bigger ones like this. Um, it's 20 gauge and 32 gauge, and this is the stator. This is where the coils are gonna go, and then the rotor with the ferrite magnets in it is gonna go right here, and it's separated with these bearings stacked up there perfectly to get as close as possible. See, like it sticks out past the coil just a little bit, and that's exactly where the rotor rests, just a little bit past the coil, so it's like perfect. Anyway, the rotor should spin one way, and then the interaction between the coils and the magnet should spin the stator the other way. I just need a commutator. I might buy one. Just maybe even just to reverse engineer it. Take it apart or look and see how it's put together. So I'll put 9 volts in on this axial flux and give it a little whip. That's on. That is on. Woo! 0.3 amps. 9.5 volts in. Now, I've only got it set up to move right now. I've only got the 2 drive coils underneath. 0.4 volts, or amps, 0.4 amps, 400 milliamps. Ferrite magnets. It's got to get through 1/8 of an inch of plastic and then interact with the coils to work. So, and I thought that wasn't too hard. Now we're going to turn it up to 12. .5 amps. We should start to see a pattern form here in the rotor where the magnets are. That is so cool. Look at that. Wow, that is freaking awesome. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Now, it's not like I'm a total stranger to axial flux. If you look down there, that black looks like a rotary phone dial thing. Yeah, that was filled with coils. And I was doing axial flux on the horizontal way. And that's exactly how I want to use the gyroscope, in the horizontal fashion. But these coils are stupendous, man. They've been able to work with anything that I, use them for, or however I want to use them. 666 turns of 20 gauge and 30 gauge. That is so neat. Woo! Alright, I'm going to turn it back down to 9. Just to spin this bad boy. I think I got it. Yeah, the amps are creeping up. I got it. But the creeping up amps are affecting both motors. I can hear it. Woo! Yeah. .1 amps. 9.13 volts. Radial flux, axial flux. And I get now when I said the Wheel of Fortune and the Price is Right. When I say that, people see it as me saying it incorrectly, because I'm only talking about the axle or the shaft. And the Price is Right, it's horizontal like this, and the wheel spins like this. Okay, this has nothing to do with the face of the magnets. And then on the Wheel of Fortune, the axle is like this and it spins like this. That's all I meant by that. But when you use the face of the magnets, it's the other way around. And yeah, I get how that could be confusing, but I yeah, I understand, and I just won't use that analogy anymore. Because this is Wheel of Fortune, and this is Wheel of Fortune as well. But if you take this and you turn it, this is Price is Right, and I don't know. I don't think this would be Price is Right if you turn it, because nothing would be facing outward. When the Price is Right, everything is on the outside of that wheel, on the edge. All the numbers and stuff. All the magnets, quote unquote. But yeah, I was just talking about the way the axle is pointing, either horizontal or vertical. And that's it. That's all I meant by that. But I understand there's obviously more than one way to look at it. So cool. I love it. 1.1 amps, 8.92 volts. I'm going to cut it back. That is awesome, man. I'm so happy that that works like that. That is brilliant. So 2 coils in parallel with 3 magnets works stupendously. Probably work better with 3 coils, but I'll have to make another one. I'll have to do it. Make another coil. That is so awesome. I'm just thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out. Have a good night. Please subscribe. Bye now.